Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama.
Hare Krishna. Dear friends and devotees, this is Prahlad Bhaktadas from ISKM Pondicherry, Puduvai Vrindavan Temple. So we have very good news to share with you that ISKM Pondicherry has started Bhakti Shastri course. So our first session will be the essence of Sanatana Dharma. So we just started it in Tamil language last week and it was a grand success. Over 35 people attended the session and got benefited. The surprising thing is that even those who do not have any basic information about Krishna consciousness, they were able to grasp the conclusion of the Vedic instructions. So this is our grand success, and after that I thought we should do this in English language also. So this session is for everyone, even those who do not know anything about Vedic teachings. Even those who are born in India, unfortunately, they do not know what is real Sanatana Dharma. They speculate with their own ideas and imaginations. So, we have taken the initiative to teach everyone what is Sanatana Dharma and what is the conclusion of it and what is the real teachings of it. The course will be just for 7 days. So, within 7 hours, we are going to give the essence of Sanatana Dharma. The course starts by 9th June 2021, Wednesday, from 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. Indian time. So this will go on for 1 week continuously. So those who are interested, kindly fill up the form that is attached along with and then submit it. For more details, you can contact us. There is no fees for this. It is completely free. But we need your commitment and sincerity as the fees. Once you enroll, and we want you to take a serious commitment that you won't attend the whole 7 days. Trust me, it is designed such a way that even if you miss 1 day, you won't be able to understand the next day session. So make it a point that you take a serious commitment before you fill up the form, and great treasure is waiting for you. I mean, when I started this in Tamil and I was not sure about the result, but after I did in Tamil, and I really got convinced that this is a wonderful initiative. Thank you very much. See you in the session. Please refer your friends and relatives. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna. Jai Srila Prabhupada.